Hello friends, my name is Pujit and in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve a 3 by 3 mirror cube. So the first thing you should start to solve this Rubik's Cube is from a corner piece or an edge piece. I'm starting with the edge piece. You should arrange corners in these two places. Let's see whether this corner piece will match over here. Try to match it directly. It matched directly. Yes. Now this edge piece, let us see whether it will match at this side. So I'm bringing this into the top layer and I'm moving it like this. No, it's not matching. So bring this down and try to match. Yes, it matched directly. So when you wanted to match a corner piece and it's over here somewhere up and you wanted to match it over here, when this happens like this, first try to match it directly like this, or you can do this 4-move algorithm, that is R U R prime U prime. Should do this algorithm until this corner piece gets inserted over here correctly. R U R prime U prime. 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 Got inserted over here. Like this, you can arrange the rest of the edge pieces and the corner pieces in their correct place and you solve your first layer. After solving all the corners and you have one edge piece left to match with it and it is at the right side flipped like this and it is facing up, you can move this layer once to make this down and then match it and then make this layer come down, then turn this back and then do this like this to solve it. Now, as you can see, we have solved the first layer. For solving the second layer, match the center pieces with their correct places. It's matched. If you match one, the rest will automatically move into its correct place. So now we should arrange edge pieces in this place over here. For example, you should be turning this top layer until you get some matched. It matched, and now turn and see for left side ones. Yes, it's matching at the left side. So it means that this edge piece should come at the left. So when it should come at the left, move the top layer once to your right and do this 4-move algorithm from left side. The algorithm is L prime, U prime, L, U. And turn it like this and do R, U, R prime, U prime. This got inserted over here. Keep on turning and see if it will match. If none of them are matching, it will be over here in the second layer itself, but not in its correct place. So to bring this piece up, do L prime, U prime, L, U and turn it like this and do right algorithm once, means this 4-move algorithm from right, R, U, R prime, U prime. This came up. Now match it with its correct place. Matched. And now it should come in the right. So when this HP should come in the right, move the top layer to your left, do right algorithm once, R, U, R prime, U prime, and turn it like this and do left algorithm once. After doing the right algorithm, turn it like this and do left algorithm once. Algorithm is L prime, U prime, L, U. Got inserted over here. Like this, you can solve the rest of the edge pieces as well. Now, when we move on to the yellow cross, the next step after solving the second layer, when we move on to the next step, there are 4 cases which you may get. One, you may get only a center piece like me, or you may get a hook in L-shaped hook, and you may get a horizontal line, or you may solve your yellow cross. If you solve the yellow cross, you can skip this part of the tutorial and move on to the corners, arrangement of corners, means the last layer solvation. Now we got only the center. When you get only the center, keep the Rubik's Cube in such a way the center is facing up and do this algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime. you will get a hook. Keep the hook in the top left direction, and do the same algorithm. F R U R prime U prime F prime. You will get a horizontal line. Keep the line horizontal and do the same algorithm to solve the yellow cross. F R U R prime U prime F prime. You will get your yellow cross solved. So my friends, after solving the yellow cross, you should keep the edges over here, means this edge, whether it's matching in its correct place. It's matching in its correct place, and now two edges are matching with its correct place over here. When two edges are matching with its correct place, make one edge face back and one at the right and do this algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 and R prime. And now if you turn and see and match them correctly, everything will be solved. If it's not, you should repeat this algorithm and every edge will match with its correct place. And now you should search for one right corner piece. It's matching in its correct place. Now this place is very big, so this corner piece doesn't match over here. This corner piece doesn't match over here because this is a little smaller piece for this. All those are the same way. This also same thing. So none of the corner pieces are matching for us in the correct place. When it's like that, do this algorithm once. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L prime. And now you will get one piece solved. You can repeat this 3 more times and then you can search for two right corner pieces. You can repeat this 3 more times, the same algorithm. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L prime. L. Now you can see the same thing. Repeat this 2 more times. And now you can search for two right corner pieces by turning this like this. You'll see whether this is matching. Yes, this is in its correct place and this is also in its correct place. So now we got two right corner pieces in a straight line like this. Keep those two corner pieces at your left and do this 4 moves algorithm, also called as a right algorithm, for 3 times. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. Turn it to your left and do this algorithm for 3 times. L prime U prime L U L prime U prime L U L prime U prime L and U. And now all the corner pieces may match in their correct place if you turn and see. Now you can make this turn, you should make this turn upside down and do right algorithm to fix this corner piece in its correct place. R U R prime U prime. Should do this algorithm until the corner piece gets fit over here correctly. R U R prime U prime. Got fit over here. Once it gets fit, extend with the other corner piece. And do the same algorithm again. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. Extend with the other corner piece. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. And now you should turn and see all the corner pieces may occur in its correct place and in the correct orientation also. So now when you get something like this, when you turn 2 times, the yellow cross edges will be facing correct, and again if you turn 2 times, the corners will be facing correct. When it comes like this, move the middle layer 2 times. Do U prime, turn the middle layer 2 times. Now do U prime 2. Now do the same, repeat the same thing again. Turn the middle layer 2 times. U, and now if you turn the middle layer 2 times, and your Rubik's cube will be solved. If you get something like this, all the edges are matching in the correct place and even the corners are also matching but not in the correct orientation, you can do this algorithm to fix the corners in its correct place. R prime, D prime, R, D. Should do this algorithm until the corner piece gets fit over here correctly. R prime, D prime, R, D. Once you are done, exchange with the other corner piece. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. Exchange with the other corner piece. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, and D. And you can just turn this and you have solved your mirror cube. So friends, that was the tutorial for today. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, share and subscribe to Pujit Harisai videos. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.